weighing in at a whopping 100 pounds, standing at a tower at 5'2". She's never been arrested, yet. She's done a lot of research on alcohol laws and regulations for the state of Pennsylvania. Lauren, Mom, Piazza.
Yay!
Thanks, Greg. Alright, I'm going to talk about the alcohol laws in Pennsylvania. And as college students and Pennsylvania residents, because right now we're all living in Pennsylvania, we need to be aware of the laws that accompany underage drinking and driving and what will happen to you if you get caught with an underage. And I'm going to tell you all about that today. So first I'm going to talk about underage drinking. So what is underage drinking? Underage drinking is drinking, possessing, transporting, using a false identification card, trying to get it. And if you get caught with any one of those, that's going to go under underage drinking. And what happens when parents or legal adults buy alcohol for you? That is a third-degree misdemeanor, and that legal adult can go to jail for 1 year, and there's a $2,500 fine that goes along with that. So it's not worth it to have someone buy you alcohol or your parents have like a party for you. And it's similar to when like restaurants that have a liquor license give you alcohol even if you're using a false identification card, or they don't even check, because they can lose their liquor license, go to jail for 3 to 12 months, and there's a $5,000 fine. So if the bar loses their liquor license, they're going to lose all of their customers, because why do you go to a bar usually? To drink. And they don't want that. Now I'm going to talk about drinking and driving, which is very dangerous. Don't ever do it. Your blood alcohol concentration level is how much alcohol is in your blood. And if you have above 0.08, if you're over 21, that is legally drunk. And zero tolerance policy is for anyone under 21. And any alcohol in your system at all, they're going to find out. The police is going to find out. And even at 0.02%, that affects your motor skills and reaction time. So even that much can affect how you're driving, and your mind needs to be able to multitask when you're driving. So if you're drunk, you can't control your arms and your legs at the same time. And also, when you're drunk, your pupils are dilated, so the light will come in like at different. Your eyes won't be able to adjust for it. So you won't be able to see traffic lights right away, or the headlights, or people walking in front of you at night. And your motor skills will be delayed from 15 to 25%, which is a lot because that's slowing you down 15 to 25%.
I find that very awesome information for us. Is that the article that you got it from? How alcohol?
Yeah, these are
awesome.
The articles that I got that from.
Awesome.
And the consequences that accompany underage drinking are suspension of license from 6 months at first, then second time 1 year, and then 2 years. And if you don't have your license, you can't apply for your permit from 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Same thing for losing your license. Fines are from $300 to $500. I can't afford that right now. I don't know if you guys can. It will go on your permanent record. You don't want that for until you're 21, but if you're 21, your landlord, if you're trying to get a house, they'll be able to see that. Grad school, people admissions, everyone can see it, and you don't want that on there. That could make you not get a job or an apartment or anywhere. Sometimes you can plead guilty for disorderly conduct, which you won't lose your license, but it's also on your permanent record. You can appeal to have that removed after 5 years, but it's up to the judge. Sometimes they'll give it to you, sometimes they won't. And some alternative punishments are being in jail, more fines, community service, and alcohol classes, alcohol awareness classes. And the effects, like I said before, getting into colleges, grad school, everything, everyone can see it. Landlord, your auto insurance will go up if you get caught drunk driving. That's definitely not good. So all this is just what you need to know, because we're all in Pennsylvania, college students. It's all important for everyone to know this and understand what will happen to you if you do get caught. And